What if I told you you could increase your take-home pay even before you get a raise? Most workers don't even realize this is possible. Let's use a simple example. You earn $200,000 per month, but what actually hits your account is much less. So how do you keep more of it? Method 1. Understand your deductions. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. Method 2. Use pension strategically. If you contribute to pension, you reduce your taxable income. That means you may pay less income tax, but you also take home less cash right now. So this is a decision: more money now or more money later. Method 3. Check for errors. Sometimes the problem isn't strategy, it's mistakes. Wrong deductions, missing overtime, or incorrect tax. If you don't check your payslip, you could be losing money every month. Method 4. Claim what you're entitled to. Some workers don't claim overtime, allowances, or benefits. That's money you have already earned. Method 5. Short-term versus long-term. Now let's be real for a second. There are two ways to increase your take-home pay. In the short term, you increase your take-home pay by keeping more of what you already earn. But in the long term, the biggest way to increase your take-home pay is to increase your income. The smartest workers do both. So the formula is simple. Earn more, make smarter decisions, and keep more of your money. Your salary is not just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. And here's the truth. Some workers are losing money without even realizing it. In the next video, we break down the biggest payslip mistakes Jamaican workers make. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.